Now this is your chapter 2 addition again. Now we will do expanded form. How to write the numbers in expanded form. The numbers, for example, look at in your book the number 175. 175. See here, 175 has 100 plus 7 tens plus 5 ones. This is the same as 100 plus 70 plus 5. Give the expanded form of the following numbers. 1 is done for you. 123. How to write 123? 1 is in hundreds, 2 is in tens, and 3 is in ones. This is the way how to write 100 plus 20 plus 3. Now see here, B quotient, B and C. B is 109 and C is 162. How to write? 1 is in 100 and 0, nothing, and 3 is in 9 is in ones. And how to write these numbers in expanded form? 100 plus 0 plus 9. Okay, this is the way how to write these numbers. And now see here, this 1 is in 100, 100, and 6 is in tens, and 2 is ones. Okay, how to write these numbers in expanded form? 100 plus 60 plus 2. This is the way how to extend the numbers. Do all questions in your book and see fill in the blanks. A is done for you and B is also done for you. Now look at the C. C. 50 plus 3. The answer will be 53. E. 100 plus 5 equals to 105. Now see the question number D. 9 tenths plus 2 ones. Answer is 92. Okay, 92. If 100, 1 is in hundreds plus 7 is in ones. Answer will be 107. Now look at the page number 19. Here is addition of 3-digit number. You have to add these 3-digit numbers. Okay. For example, look at here. 2 examples are done for you, and see here. Firstly, you have to add these ones number. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 7 plus 1, 8. The answer will be 897. 9. 0 plus 3, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. The answer will be 739. Do these questions yourself. Now here is the addition with carry for 2-digit numbers. This is the short method and this is the long method. Carry over the 110 to the 10th house as shown by drawing a ring round it. If you carry the number, you have to draw this ring and add this number in tens. Now see here, add the following. Now see in the board, see on the board, and question number 1 is 46. We have to add this number with 39. This is the 2-digit number with carry. Now 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6. After 9 you have to draw 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. After 9 you have to count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The number ones will be right here and tens will be carry over in tens. Okay. Tens. Now add these three numbers together. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 85. The answer will be 85. We have to add these numbers together. Okay. Now look at another one. Question number 2. Do more and more practice of these carry numbers. 3, 5 plus 4, 8. One thing we forgot in question number 1. What is it? The sign, this plus sign. We have to draw this sign. Now add 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 1 is carry over in 1 tenths and 3 will be written here, right here. Now add these number. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4 equals to 8. The answer is 83. What is the answer? Answer is 83. Do these numbers, do practice these sums. Look at here, add these numbers. 7 plus 5. After 7, count 5 more numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer will be, you have to carry over the number in tens and then add this number with 5. The answer will be 62. Okay, this is the easy way. Now frame the questions, put in these blocks and do. For example, 37. 37, we have to write 37 here. After that 74 and add these numbers. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. The answer is 111. Okay. Do these questions yourself. Find the sum, use the short method. You have to do these questions yourself at home and this is short method. This is 3. Carry with carry of for 3-digit number. This is also very simple. Add, first of all you have to add this ones number. 8 plus 2 equals to 8, 9, 10. You have to carry 1 in tens. Now count these numbers. 1 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus add this one more number, 13. The answer will be 13 and 1 carry over there and count these numbers together. 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 1 7. 780. Question number 2. 456 add with 395. What's 10 at 100? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 11. We have to carry this number in tens. 1 and 1, 11. Add these numbers. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 5 is 15. Now add these numbers. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. The answer will be 851. And do these questions yourself. Do more and more practice at home. Now story sums. What is story sums? This is story based addition sums, and you have to write statement when your answer shown here. Now look at the question number 1. 1 and 2 is done for you already. Kamal joined a pottery class and made 44 pots. He made 6 more at home. How many pots did Kamal make in all? Kamal पोल्ट्री जहाँ मिट्टी से बर्तन बनाए जाते हैं या घड़े बनाए जाते हैं उस शॉप में गए और उस जगह गए और उन्होंने वहाँ पे घड़े बनाना ज्वाइन किया और सीखा, जहाँ पे उन्होंने 44 पॉट्स जो थे, घड़े जो थे वो उन्होंने बनाए. He made 6 more at home. और वहाँ पे उन्होंने 44 बनाए, 6 उन्होंने घर पे बनाए, तो टोटल उन्होंने कितने बनाए. यहाँ पे लिखा है how many pots did Kamal make in all. Make in all अगर पूछा जा रहा है, it means we have to add these numbers. Now add these numbers. 6 more. 44 plus 6 equals to 46. The answer will be 50. Kamal made 50 pots in all. Here is one more example done for you. Now see here, page number 26, question number B. Juhi spent 45 minutes on the computer on Monday. मंडे को जूही कंप्यूटर में 45 मिनट लगाती है, 45 मिनट वर्क करती है, ठीक है. एंड 40 मिनट्स ऑन द कंप्यूटर ऑन ट्यूसडे, और 40 मिनट्स वो ट्यूसडे को लगाती है. हाउ मैनी मिनट्स डज शी स्पेंड ऑन कंप्यूटर ऑल टुगेदर. वो कंप्यूटर में कितना टाइम स्पेंड करती है दोनों डेज का. आपको जितने डेज, दोनों डेज में वो जितने मिनट वर्क करती है उन दोनों को आपको क्या करना है, ऐड कर देना है. First of all you have to make this boxes and you have to write these numbers, put in this box and write the statement of this answer. The question is, what is the question? Juhi spent 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes she spent on Monday and 40 minutes she spent on Tuesday. Add these numbers. 585. Okay, this is the answer, 85. Now Juhi spent 85 minutes. 85 minutes on the computer together. Okay, she spent 85 minutes altogether. We have to add both days minute. Okay, now look at the question number C. 36 children went for swim in the afternoon. 25 children swam in the evening. How many children swam that day? Some students swam in afternoon and some are swam in the evening. We have to add both numbers of students together. 36 plus 25. 36 children swam at afternoon and 25 children. Now count this number. 6 plus 5, 11, 4, 5, 6, 61. The total number of students swam. Answer with me. Now when you write the statement, look at the last section of the question. How many children swam that day? We have to cut how many and write here 61 children swam that day. 61 children . Now look at the question number D. There are 65 children in one bus and 28 children in the. How many children are in all? If 65 children in one bus, 28 children is another bus, and now count these numbers. 5 plus 8. Add these ones number first. 8, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. We have to carry 1 and tens. 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 93. 93 children there are in . 93 children are there in all. Now you have to do these questions yourself, E and F. Okay. If you are having any problem, then call. Okay. Now take care and do more and more practice of these questions, story based questions, and you have to write statement also in every question, story based questions. Okay. Now take care and goodbye everyone.